Good morning, this is Michael Lucy at 3B Business Solutions. Today is Wednesday, September 12th, and we'll be continuing our conversation on search engine optimization for SEO. In addition to this discussion, we'll be focusing on a demonstration and example of an SEO analysis local to us in Wyandotte, Michigan for the floral shop or florist market. With that being said, let us get started. Referring back to our sheet yesterday for the building of our SEO competitive analysis, today we'll be researching, populating the information as I have highlighted on the screen. Number of backlinks, some other small pieces of information that we find relevant include page views per user, bounce percentage, time on site, and search percentage. Additionally, we'll be researching and gathering information with respect to the relevant search terms in search engines throughout the internet that are driving traffic to the three competitive websites for the sake of this example. The three competitive websites being Fiddle Florist, Flower House, and Thrifty Florist. So let us get started. The tool sets that we're going to be using for today is a website called Alexa.com. Alexa provides public and free data with respect to search engine optimization and some generalized traffic details for websites. So I'm going to type into the search box here, thriftyflorist.net. Then Alexa will ask me to confirm that this indeed is the website I'm researching. Then I'll press Get Details. And at the top of the screen, there's a label here for reputation. I'm going to capture this number 31, and I'm going to paste it into my spreadsheet in this cell here. Number of backlinks for Thrifty Florist, 31. Number of backlinks, once again, are the third-party sites that have linked to thriftyflorist.net. They are inbound channels, links on third-party sites in which consumers can click and be directed to thriftyflorist.net. If you'd like to research for you or your competition where those actual backlinks are located, you may click on the number 31 here, and you'll be provided with a list of backlinks, the top 100 inbound links for thriftyflorist.net. In this case, having documented that there's only 31 of them, all 31 would be available. Once again, backlinks are the single most important factor in determining authoritativeness or reliability or trustworthiness amongst consumer sentiment in the online or internet world. Other relevant pieces of information that we grab for our report includes page views per user, bounce percentage, time on site, and search percentage. Those numbers get plugged in to these cells here. In terms of overall competitive analysis, those don't weight in to the overall competitive analysis for SEO. However, what we at 3B Business Solutions do look at is the overall trending for these numbers. We typically consult with customers and make sure that these numbers are trending in the proper direction. Lastly, of significant importance for SEO competitive analysis, search analytics. When I select the search analytics tab on Alexa.com for thriftyflorist.net, up here I'm presented with a list of searches on search engines throughout the internet that are driving traffic to thriftyflorist.net. So the list is presented in an order of the search term and the relevant percent out of 100 searches that are driving traffic to this site. So in the case of Thrifty Florist, 47% of the incoming search traffic for thriftyflorist.net are searches that people are typing exactly Thrifty Florist into a search engine, into Google, into Bing, into Yahoo. It's almost 50%. That's a significant number. So what we do is we take this information and we populate for the three competitors in the search terms 1 through 10, if available. So we've captured the 10 most prevalent search keywords that are driving traffic to Thrifty Florist and populated this table here. The percentages are, however, wrong. So I will redo this step for our analysis. There we have it. Likewise, we've already captured that information for a flower house and bed of florist here as well. Lastly, as part of this SEO competitive analysis, I've done 4 separate searches on Google and been returned 4 separate sets of results. The 4 searches I have done are flower, flowers, florist, and florists. One for flower, one for the plural, one for florist, one for the plural. What I found intriguing here is for the florist search, I'm presented with 2 different sets of search results. My conclusion as to why florists, the search florist, why I'm getting Thrifty Florist in the #1 position is that the weight of their PR score outweighs the content to the extent that they become ranked in the 1st position. They have exposure to the word florist, not only in their domain name, thriftyflorist.net, but they also have some exposure to it in page titles. My conclusion as to why florists returns Biddle Florist as the top search result is because of the content. Throughout the site, they have focused on the content florist throughout their site. So the content is outweighing the PageRank score in the case of the search for florists. I find that very significant and highly unusual. Lastly, for the flower search and flowers search, I have found that once again for Biddle Florist, the overall concentration or emphasis of the term flower or flowers on the site is outweighing their relative second seat that they're taking in the PageRank scoring. So as you can see here, Biddle Florist has a PageRank of 3 versus 3.28 at Thrifty Florist. However, the content is written well enough to the extent that that outweighs their relative PageRank score deficiency. So with that being said, I'm going to conclude today's session. I hope this has provided value to any and all that are watching this video, and I welcome everyone to come watch our video tomorrow, in which we'll be going into a little more detail, both Google Analytics and Google Webmaster. So until tomorrow, I wish everyone a great day, and we will see you then.